Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, we're going to look at why you should join today. 2 reasons and proof. So I'm going to give you 2 very good reasons by using and showing you in a few minutes my Alexa, free to use Alexa software. 2 reasons on why I believe you should join LeadsLeap today. And LeadsLeap is totally free to join.
I don't know that one.
There'll be, oops, Alexa's talking to me at the side of me. LeadsLeap is totally free to join today. There'll be a link in the description that will take you to a page like this. So you'll see it's been online since 2008. So it's a very solid and trusted platform. You've got your free tools to build any business online with LeadsLeap. It's free traffic for you. And if you want to promote the affiliate side of LeadsLeap, you can earn residual commissions as a free member. So if you like Make Money Online videos, then please click subscribe and then click the bell icon for notifications. I've done over 240 videos now on making money online on my channel, and I've also put these organized these into some playlists for you. And if you want some more LeadsLeap information, I've got a playlist here with 9 review videos on all different aspects of LeadsLeap. So what I'll do is I will pin that into the top comment under this video. So this is alexa.com, totally free software to use. And I'm going to show you now 2 very good reasons by using this software why you should join LeadsLeap today. So we're going to click on website traffic statistics, and then you can use this for any website on the internet, any blog. It's totally free to use. All you do is put the website address in here. So we're going to put in here, you see it brings you a drop down menu sometimes, leadsleap.com, and then you run the analysis. Now what it's going to bring up here, the thing I'm going to focus on here, gives you lots of other little really helpful analytics. If you're a beginner, don't get too worried about this information. I'm going to focus today on this little window here. This is the Alexa 90-day trend. So what that is, that's the popularity of this website over the last 90 days, over the last 3 months. Now this is really important. So this shows 2 things. It shows that this site is becoming more and more popular because the number has gone down. It was ranked 8,235 January of this year. But now the ranking, so the lower the number, the more popular the website. So if this was ranked number 1, it would be the most popular website in the world. So that'd be either Google or YouTube. But you'll see here, ranked in global internet engagement, 6,281. That is this site here, LeadsLeap. People are joining this site. They are spending 6 minutes, and on average, they are spending average time in minutes and seconds that a visitor spends on this site each day. They are spending on average 6 minutes and 31 seconds every day on LeadsLeap. So that tells you 2 things. It's a 2 reasons I'm going to give you today. Number 1, more members are joining. So that gives you an opportunity to advertise on LeadsLeap to get more traffic. LeadsLeap includes buyers, so you can advertise to buyers as well. And also as an affiliate, that means you can also promote LeadsLeap, and then as free members, they can join for free, and a percentage will upgrade to use to get more functions from the tools, or to automate their traffic like I did. So I'm a pro member, and then you can earn residual income from those upgrades if you decide to promote LeadsLeap as an affiliate, which I recommend you do, because you can see here from these stats that this site is growing in popularity online. So use this website for any research that you want to have a look at for any other website. There's lots of other analytics I'm not going to go into today. All you would do is then just clear that window, put another website in there, and then do some more research on something else. So if you've got any questions on this video, please put those in the comments below. If you've enjoyed it, give me a big blue thumbs up and a like. I'd appreciate that. That will help me on my YouTube algorithm journey. And just click the link in the description. This site is becoming more and more popular every single day. So that's opportunities for you to advertise in front of buyers. It's an opportunity for you to promote as an affiliate. And it's got free traffic, free tools, free money, and testimonials. So click the link in the description, sign up for a free account, and thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.